Let's get your internet up and running. You'll need a cable modem like a Rogers Ignite Gateway or Xfinity XFi, a coaxial cable, a power adapter, and optionally an Ethernet cable for wired connections. For the hookup, connect the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to your modem's RF port. Then plug in the power adapter and turn on the modem. Wait for the LED lights to indicate the modem is online, usually a solid green light for the power and internet indicators. For activation, download your provider's app, Rogers My Account, or Xfinity XFi. Use the app to scan the QR code on your modem or enter its serial number. This activates the modem on the network and may take 5 to 15 minutes. If the lights flash red instead of staying solid, troubleshoot using the app's diagnostics feature or contact your provider's support team. For Wi-Fi, use the provider app to configure your network name or SSID and password. WPA3 encryption is recommended for better security. You can also set up guest networks and parental controls through the app. As you configure, watch your internet speed increase. Optimize your setup by placing the modem in a central location and using Ethernet cables for devices that need the most reliable connection, like gaming consoles or streaming devices. If you're experiencing issues, start by rebooting your modem. Simply unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Also, ensure your modem's firmware is up to date. For more persistent problems or outages, contact Rogers at 1-800-ROGERS or Xfinity at 1-800-XFinity.